So friends, for this recipe, we will require 200 grams of white chocolate compound, 1 cup of melted butter or 250 ml, 2 cups of brown sugar or 340 grams, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 284 grams, and half a cup of choco chips. Now first we're going to melt our white chocolate by using a double boiler. That is, just take a vessel, on top of it put a microwave proof bowl, and just let the water come to a boil and put that glass bowl on top of it and just keep stirring the white chocolate. It will start melting. It does take a little while longer than the dark chocolate compound. So we're going to add the butter, that is 1 cup of melted butter. That fastens the process of melting the white chocolate. It might take you about 5 whole minutes. So once your chocolate has melted, take it down from the heat, put it onto a kitchen napkin. Now we're going to add this brown sugar. I'm using 2 cups of brown sugar. Now brown sugar is easily available in the general stores. You can also order it online. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to our mix. And then we're going to mix this vanilla essence well into this batter. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs. My tip over here is don't break the eggs directly into the mixture. Always break your eggs into a separate bowl, preferably one at a time, into different small bowls, because sometimes you might get a bad egg. So always check your eggs before you put them into any recipe. So now give all of this a nice mix. Use a whisk, it makes the work faster. And with the heat, you will notice that all of the brown sugar has nicely melted down. Now we're going to add our all-purpose flour maida. We've taken 2 cups. We're going to add about half of the quantity at a time and then fold it in. Like I said, this recipe is being prepared by my daughter, Ira. She loves cooking. She loves baking. So if you like this video, do give this a big thumbs up. Ira will be delighted because she loves this recipe of Blondie. Blondie, for those of you who don't know, it is just a brownie made with white chocolate compound instead of the dark chocolate, and we use brown sugar instead of regular sugar. And it's all a one-pot recipe, so you don't need many pots and pans, and you just have to mix everything together. You don't even need a electric hand blender. You just require a whisk. Now try to get your hands on this kind of a spatula if you're into baking, because then it really helps in getting everything together. And this is very easily available. Now I have lined a 8 by 8 inches cake tin with some butter paper. I have brushed the cake tin with some butter because then the butter paper sticks easily. So now we're going to pour only half of the quantity of this cake mixture into the cake tin. And now we're going to put a layer of choco chips. Even these choco chips are easily available in general stores. They're available online. As all of you know who regularly watch my recipes, I get all of my ingredients from Crawford Market. It's like a one-stop shop. You get everything in Crawford Market. So if you prepare a proper list as to what you require, when you go to Crawford, you get everything there. and pretty reasonable too. So now once we have put the second layer, we're going to now top it up with the remaining choco chips. And like I said, if you don't get your hands on choco chips, just take some dark chocolate compound and just cut them up into small little bit-sized pieces like this. Now at this time, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now all that is left to be done is just put it into our oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes till a nice fork or a spoon or a knife inserted into it comes out clean. Do watch your cake because every oven is different. I set it on 30, but it took exactly 25 minutes to completely bake. So once your cake reaches around 20 minutes, just keep checking that the cake is right by inserting a knife so it comes out clean. And then just cut, once it is completely cooled down, just cut it up into squares like this. And believe me, it is a delicious, delicious dessert. Everyone is going to ask you for this recipe. And it has a long shelf life. If you keep it in a nice airtight tin, it lasts for even about 2 weeks. But believe me, it's so delicious that it gets over very, very quickly. Now I have loads and loads and loads of desserts uploaded on my channel. If you go to my main page and click on the playlists, and you'll see one with all sweets and desserts. But I will leave a link below to all of my sweet recipes in my description box below, as well as my comments box below. All you have to do is just click on it and it will take you to the recipe. I have brownies, I have brownie cupcakes, choco chip cupcakes, plain vanilla cake, ribbon cake, fruit and nut cake, bread pudding, Goan bath cake, many Christmas sweets, loads of ice cream recipes, and ice cream cake, different types of pancakes, different types of cookies, Diwali sweets, modak, malpuas, gulab jam, different types of Easter eggs, mango panna, puran polis, gajar halwa, and I am going to be coming up with loads and loads and loads more of desserts. So friends, if you liked this recipe, please don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Ira's going to love your support. Then she'll be more and more encouraged to put up more and more recipes for you all. Do subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't hit the red subscribe button, please do. I would really appreciate it. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the little golden bell. That way you won't miss any recipes that I'm putting up on my channel. You'll just get a message that Akshata has put up a recipe. So you can go and check it out. I have so many recipes up my sleeve. I'm waiting to share them with all of you. And all of them are very easy, quick recipes. You can go to my channel. I have more than 230 recipes uploaded, and I have quite a few vlogs where you can get to know me better. And friends, do go and share my recipes with family and friends. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for stopping by at my channel, watching my recipes, supporting Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys, see you.